Hey, it's Scott, and you got the income stream number 3 here in multiple income funnel. I picked this for income stream number 3 because it's generated me over $3,000 in a short amount of time, and it's worthy of this system. And I'm going to pass you off to the owner, Bob Housden, now, who's going to explain to you how you can work just 10 minutes a day, make $200 a pop over and over and over again, just 10 minutes a day. All right, without further ado, Bob, take it over. If you're watching this on YouTube, the description is in the below this video for you to get started with easy phone money. All right, Bob, take it over.
Can you really make $200 to $800 a day posting other people's videos on a free TikTok account? Well, yes, you can now, thanks to the easy phone money system. Let me show you. You are about to discover the easiest side hustle online, period, bar none. Why? Because we're going to show it to you. We are going to show you how you or anyone, doesn't matter who you are, using this method, how you or anyone can build a massive following and monetize your TikTok account and start making serious side hustle money. All by simply posting other people's videos. The whole process only takes 5 or 10 minutes a day. So if you have a phone or any device that connects to the internet and you apply 5 to 10 minutes of your already 3 to 4 hour a day screen time, be honest, you're on it a lot, to post other people's videos, then you can start making some serious, easy phone money. And I do mean serious, the easiest side hustle money that I've ever seen. Like $200 to $800 a day in a very short period of time you can start making. This is going to be such a short video because this is just too easy to explain. There's only 2 sections of this. One, how anyone can get massive exposure and build a huge following on TikTok. And 2, a simple way to monetize or make money from that exposure. So, first one down, massive exposure. As soon as we accepted that there's only one reason why people come to TikTok, and that is to be entertained. So if you entertain people who want to be entertained, you will make a lot of money. Okay, it's that simple. And what better way to entertain than use the already existing entire entertainment system, right? There is an unlimited supply, which we're going to show you how to find in our training, of entertaining videos. Check out this TikTok account we found. So this TikTok account has 37,000 followers, and all they do is just post little clips of a popular sitcom that's not even running anymore. What was this one? The Big Bang Theory. This one was 37,000 followers, but this account isn't monetized. He's sitting on a gold mine, but it's not monetized, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to do that. Check out this one. 762,000 followers by doing nothing except taking comedy clips and posting them. But this account, once again, isn't monetized. Okay, let me show you what can happen. And can we be honest? Can anybody do this? Because in our Easy Phone Money TikTok training, we show you an unlimited library where you can just go pick a video. You can just type in comedy clips, pick a video, copy the link, do our magic that we teach you in the training, and post it right to your TikTok account. It takes about 2 to 5 minutes. It's that simple to post a video. One video. You do that 2-3 times a day, boom. You start getting massive followers very, very quickly. But now let's talk about monetizing it. Okay, check this out. This is my personal account. You see my face there? This is my personal account. All I'm doing here is posting news clips, actually. So anything works. Comedy, anything that's entertainment, and let's face it, news is entertainment. In just 3.5 weeks, I've gotten 5,783 followers, but here's the kicker. In the last 5 days or so, these are the deposits that I cashed out. This is an $800 deposit at the bottom. My screenshot looks like blocking that. A $3,000 cash out to my bank account. This all coming from the Easy Phone Money system. And another $800 cash out. That's over $4,000 after just 3.5 weeks. And this is coming in daily at this point because we show you in our training that if you do this, posting other people's videos to your TikTok just gets bigger and bigger and bigger, which gives you more and more exposure. So how do you make money off of that exposure? How do you monetize? Well, you'll see in mine, there's an ad there. So what is the Easy Phone Money system? It's 2 parts. We sell a TikTok training showing exactly what I've explained so far, and 2, how you get unlimited $200 commissions just by putting that link up on your profile, which we show you how to do in our training section. So in the training, we show you everything. How to set up, if you don't even have a TikTok app yet, we show you how to get that, set it up, from downloading the link all the way to posting your own video. Complete, boom, 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 step-by-step system. We also give you access. We show you where you can find unlimited other people's entertaining content that you can post on your TikTok account with just a couple clicks, so your account can start exploding. And I do mean unlimited. From any sitcom videos, clips, comedy clips, movie clips, funny cat videos, funny dog videos, literally anything that's entertaining is there. And with a couple clicks, click, it's on your TikTok account and you're building a massive following. So what that link is promoting something, right? Now, you can take that training and promote any business you want to. You know, you can put any link you want to there, but we specifically designed Easy Phone Money system to monetize TikTok traffic, which in turn has monetized all traffic, and we'll talk about that in just a second. So you can apply our training and promote any business of yours that you want, but 99% of people do not have an existing business to promote. So what do? We let you just plug into the Easy Phone Money system. We give you a specific link, and whenever anybody clicks that link and comes and gets our TikTok training, poof, you make $200 commission. Just like that, every single time. Now you can start to see why those amounts made sense. Because look, the bottom one, I received an $800 deposit. That means that day, 4 people went to my TikTok account, that one right there, clicked on the link, saw this video, and were like, wow, that makes sense. I want to get this training so I can do it too. This day I had 7. 7 times 200 is 1,400. This day I had 4 again, and this day I had 4 again. And see, the 3,000 is a combination of the 14, 8, and 8. So that's when I cashed out 3,000. So that was 3,000 in 3 days, guys. All right, and then another 4. I mean, this is just ridiculous, because when you have what we have, it just makes sense. So the question is, okay, Bob, how much are you selling this TikTok training for that you're willing to give me $200 for every person that clicks on my link and goes and purchases this from you? Well, that's where it gets fun and amazing, because we sell the complete TikTok training for only a one-time payment of $297, and you get complete access to everything we put together here for only $297. And you say, okay, well, that's the training. Well, how much will it cost me to plug into your system to get that link, so when anybody clicks on it, I make $200 over and over again on complete autopilot? Well, you're going to love this, because we give that to you for free. It comes with the training, because we understand you may not have a business, and why reinvent the wheel? This is working wonderfully. So you get our training of how to post videos and drive traffic to something, and then we give you the system that's making me those commissions and everybody else those commissions. And I can't emphasize this enough. 5 to 10 minutes a day. All you do is go to the library that we show you how to access, pick what video you want to post that day or at that time, copy the link, work our secret sauce we show you how to do, and then post it to your TikTok, and you're done. That's it. 5 minutes, 2 or 3 times a day, and I'm putting deposits in of $3,000. I'm cashing out $3,000 after 3 days. I mean, this is just incredible. Okay, so we give you that for free. So a one-time payment of $297, and you're completely set up. You could be completely set up in minutes. So for every person that clicks on your link, buys the TikTok training, we send you $200 for promoting the business and the training. We keep $97 to pay for the expenses to run the business that you are promoting. It's a big win-win. Everybody wins. And check this out. I'm going to take you behind the scenes real quick. This will be the last thing, so I can show you exactly what happens after you pay the $297 and how you can be set up literally in just a couple minutes. You click below this video and it'll take you to the order form. You fill out the order form, pay the one-time payment of $297, and you get immediate access to our membership and training area. And this is where this is. And this, I'm going to show you how simple this is, guys. Absolutely amazing. You can be plugged in in just minutes. So this is a nice little introduction video that I put together explaining how things work. This is where you go to get your secret link, okay, to put on your TikTok or anywhere. Honestly, people are sharing this after they get going. I mean, they're making $200 from everywhere, not just TikTok. You know, people are sharing on their social medias. Or if you want to see how you can copy other people's videos, post them on TikTok, and make $200 commission. I mean, who wouldn't want that information, right? So it's coming from everywhere. So you can get your money link that'll pay you $200 commissions right here. Okay, boom, click that. This shows you how to get it. A nice little 4-minute video. That's it. And then here is the TikTok training. Introduction, your library of unlimited content. And then here is a short little video. I'm not going to click on it because I don't want to give away anything. This is for members only who buy the training. How we do live, copy, paste, and post. Done. That's it. And it's like a 2-minute video. We do it live. We screen recorded and show you exactly how we do it. Tips and tricks right here. And then here is literally the step-by-step links you need to download. That's it. Oh yeah. And 100% done for you advertising. People ask for that. So this is an option. It'll be explained back there where you can just say, you know what? I'm making money with this. This is ridiculous. Send 1,000 people to my secret money link. And you could actually pay people to do done for you advertising on top of the free money you're making from your TikTok. And this we won't get into, but how we turn your $200 commission into an additional $800, $2,400, or $4,000 with you doing nothing additional. You do nothing more than simply post videos on your TikTok from the library. So we will not go into that in this video because that's specifically and only for our members. We're not giving away anything about that. So that's it. That is how simple it is to have an incredibly profitable side hustle by posting other people's entertaining videos on TikTok. When you give people what they want and they see the kind of success that they're having, that you can have when they see this video, people want this training, guys. It is amazing. And you can start making $200 a pop. So if you have $297 now, click below, pay it, and you'll be right in this members area getting set up right now. If you do not have $297, go get it. It is way worth it. A one-time payment of $297 for $200 over and over and over and over again for life. This is a lifetime membership, so it's a one-time payment of $297, and you can make those unlimited commissions anytime anybody clicks on it in the future. So congratulations. Go below, click and get the training and the money link, and you'll be good to go. I'm excited to see your success with this program. Bye for now.
Hey, Bob. I just wanted to take a minute to tell you that I'm just beyond blown away. I'm usually pretty skeptical about things like this, but in the last 3 weeks, you've literally changed my life and changed the lives of my kids. I haven't had to talk to anybody, which I thought was impossible. Like literally all I had to literally do was follow your steps, and I've made $4,200 in 3 weeks. I just wanted to say thank you. Thank you so much.
Easy phone money. Just got my daughter from daycare, picking her nose, and I got another 4,000. Easy phone money, 4,000 bucks. Ready to go party, Josie? Yeah. Let's go party! Guys, get this system. For real. It works.